Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 8th of April. And first of all, national news. Rahul Gandhi to hold poll rally in Karnataka's Kolar on April 10. Changes in NCERT books made with aim to saphronize them. Pinarayi Vijayan will soon finalize candidates for Karnataka polls. BS Yediyurappa. Amid COVID spike, Health Minister ordered mock drills in states next week. Withdraw draconian rules. Editors Guild to center over policing news. Colonial era file shed light on Indian gems and jewels in UK's Royal Treasury. PM Modi to inaugurate new airport, Vande Bharat train in Chennai on April 8. High Court told Delhi government to ensure citizens get clean, hygienic milk. And now some international news. Will not stop exchanges with the world. Taiwan president after US visit. China sent warships aircraft near Taiwan for second day after US host its leader. Was the best mother I could be. Ex-New Zealand PM quit politics. Work from home ordered issued as the Thai city chalked on pollution. TikTok hit with nearly $16 million fine in UK for misusing children's personal data. Israel launched airstrikes in Gaza following rocket fire from Lebanon. Canada deployed aircraft to Japan to implement North Korea's sanctions. Now, news related to sports. India placed in pot 4 for AFC Asian Cup Qatar 2023 draw after release of latest FIFA World Rankings. NBA denied Dallas Mavericks protest of loss to Golden State Warriors. England won women's finalissima in 4-2 shootout victory against Brazil. News from business. Dairy prices expected to remain firm amid rising demand, tight supply. Karnataka Bank planned 17.69% growth rate this year. To improve pension benefits for government employees under NPS, government notified panel under Finance Secretary. Network Planning Group under PM Gati Shakti approved 4 infra projects. World food prices fall for 12th month running in March. Now news from science and technology. NASA's Hubble telescope spot runaway supermassive black hole leaving behind trail of newborn stars. NASA's James Webb telescope's new images revealed stunning view of Uranus rings. And that's all in news. Thank you.